So when you're done with your job, and as soon as you turn it off, it drops. I printed these last night. Pretty easy little blocks. So when you're done with your job and you want to, that sits flush against the plate. At least for mine it does, because I have my Z homed right now. Just like that. That goes on the Mac side. That goes on the minimum side. I turn the power off. And that holds it right where it needs to go. I can still freely move the gantry by hand. I got tired of the block underneath the gantry. I would have to pick it up and move it. This is much easier. And it looks like it belongs. Enjoy.